Here we go. Hey, just in time for the holidays, we got a Kacey Musgraves song, and this one's called Glittery. I like this tune because her songs have some great twists and turns in them. This one's in the key of E, and it starts out with a little, it's kind of an easy lope and strum. E, A minor. Does that twice. Then it starts in the reverse, E major 7. C sharp minor. It goes to an F sharp minor to a B7. Brings out, and then the chorus goes A major 7th, A major to B. It sounds like this. E, C sharp major, and then F sharp minor, B7th, back to the intro, but just one time, A minor, then it was a breakdown, back to the C sharp minor, F sharp minor, here it goes to an A minor, chorus, A major 7th, A, B, E, then you go to your C sharp, F sharp minor, and back to that B7. Okay, now I'm going to show you the bridge. The bridge is kind of cool. And it uses that E right there, it rests in that E, and watch what happens. It goes. Goes to A minor. Then it goes to a B, C sharp. C sharp, modulation. Okay? Now we're going to go to a B major 7th, to a B. Okay, so B major 7, and a C sharp, to F sharp. You could do that F sharp major 7th. Now you're going to go to an E flat. That's the turnaround. Okay? And then G sharp minor, to an F sharp, back to an E flat, G sharp minor, and a C sharp 7th, which you can also do like this, okay, if you're more comfortable with that. And then it goes back to the intro. B minor, F sharp major, or set major 7th. To F sharp. That's how it ends. So what's important to note on that song, and I can't go into detail because it's got so many changes, but what's cool about it is when you go to that A minor for the bridge, right, it stays there for a while, and then it goes to a B major, okay, it goes to a C sharp, and now you're in F sharp. Okay, so you go, the chorus is a B major 7th, to a B, and C sharp, and so on, back to F sharp, to E flat. So there's a fair amount of chords there. I hope that helps you understand it, but if you play along with it and you follow the chords I just gave you, you'll dig it. So that's Kacey Musgraves Glittery, just in time for the holidays.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free. and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.